getting this thing started here. Hopefully this works. It's gain gauge 2. Pulled the Fickum so we're not firing the injectors. Oh yeah, look at that ICP. Alright, let's go plug the Fickum relay back in. About so in my case, 2003. Driver side battery. It's this big old gray thing. So let's figure out which way it went in. Which way it wants to go in anyway. There we go. So yeah, so the HPOP already had a little bit of oil in it when I got it back from the diesel site. And then of course I threw in some slide glide, some lubricant in the down there. I got this actually doing go here. Yeah, it's going. Yep, there it goes. Cycling on and off because the inverter's getting warm in that. So let's see if she fires up. So I put the key back in ignition. Alright, fuel pressure 80. Let's see here. Back to gauge. Came up. There it is. Cranking, oil pressure was come up. I cranked it long enough, probably a good 30-60 second crank. Let me go unplug the charger. Alright, charger's unplugged, so good there. Still got fuel, perfect pressure there. Or we can get there. That looks good. Fickham's holding good. It's obviously it's cycling. The truck hasn't ran since like a month and a half, 2 months now. ICP is really good. IPR is exactly where it should be for running. Yep, fired right up. About 2 or 3 60-second cranks, not even that. I think the first one was a good 30 to 60 second crank. The second, and then the second crank, I immediately saw the oil gauge pop up, and then the ICP started building really quick. It went from 0, 5, 11, 160, 500, and I was like, all right. So I threw the relay back in, and as you just saw, just a couple more seconds of cranking, and it fired right up. That's after all the work I just did. That's how quick. If everything is right and you have no high pressure oil leaks anywhere, that it should fire up. You shouldn't have to crank the crap out of it. Some cases, it happens. I've been there. But everything looks good. Thanks for tuning in.